Hey, so you've probably seen our Terraform Lightning course. The goal of that course was to introduce you to Terraform, so that you know how it works and how to use it. But there are many little features and nuances in day-to-day Terraform usage. In these bonus episodes, I will show you some of them. In this issue of Terraform Tips and Tricks, I will show you 3 additional Terraform commands. The first one is super easy, Terraform FMT or Terraform format. If you ever programmed in Go, it will feel familiar to you. Let's look at our Terraform template here. It's nice, but it could be much nicer. Let me run Terraform FMT and open the template again. Now it's much nicer formatted and follows all the formatting best practices automatically. You should run Terraform FMT before committing your changes. The second command, Terraform graph. What it does is it outputs you the dependency graph of the resources in your template in a dot format. You can even visualize it with GraphViz. It's not too useful, but helps to understand what you learned in the second part of the Terraform Lightning course. The last command for today is Terraform state. Terraform state has lots of subcommands to view and manipulate the Terraform state file. Let's look at just one of them, Terraform state list. Now you can see what is already in the state file. That's it for this video. Tell in the comments if you like the format of such short tips and tricks videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thanks for watching!